Previously on Hangtime, we enjoyed all the amenities of Cap Cana Marina, crossed the Mona Passage, and explored Puerto Rico.
I'm walking down the street just like I own it. I'm rolling to the beat just like I wrote it. Watching the sun go down is disappearing. Cause in this part of town it's pretty clear that I can feel the city breathe. The boulevard is hot like me. Thank God it's only Friday night. You bring my Saturdays to life. Come Sunday, will you be my wife? You make me go from Puerto Rico. Come on Monday, don't be such a. I hear a lovely sound, it's all around me. I see the sky above me, it's so lovely. One girl, a half a dozen cities buzzing. A scented summer breeze comes over me, and I can hear the city roar. And if you want, there's always more. Thank God it's only Friday night. You bring my Saturdays to life. Come Sunday, will you be my wife? You make me go from Puerto Rico. Come on Monday, don't be such a. 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 Monday, don't be such a. Thank God it's only Friday night. You bring my Saturdays to life. Come Sunday, will you be my wife? You make me go from Puerto Rico. Monday, don't be such a.
We're cleaning the boat, and there's like 200 swarming us because we're cleaning the boat and they want the allergy. So like we're getting covered by fish, and it's so like creepy. One was like inches away from us. They're gone. I'll clean it.
We had a lively week with the Rosses on board in the Virgin Islands. A highlight for all of us was our afternoon at the baths in Virgin Gorda.
That was fun.
The baths comprise a labyrinth of massive granite boulders that create cavernous passages and sheltered sea pools. We heard echoes of splashing water and kids playing as we explored the tunnels, arches, and tide pools. Every twist rewarded us with a new marvel: grottos, caverns, and pools. Journalist Martha Gellhorn described it as giant boulders arranged by geologic upheaval eons ago create a scene that is both playful and spectacularly beautiful. The sound of waves, rustle of sea grapes, and brush of a gentle breeze. This is the sort of place that reminds me what a gift it is to be alive.
Or three now. I think we'll move it forward. And I don't need your butt.
No.
Oh my gosh, fish.
sitting here in Gorda on anchor. And it's like 9 o'clock on a Tuesday morning, and we're ready to tackle an ice maker. And I have an assistant here to support me in all this, Benny. So we'll see how this goes this morning. So, right here, isotherm ice maker from West Marine, and inside is what we're looking at. So I have it wired up for 230 already. So when using a level on the boat, it's all about the law of averages. And I think we're pretty close. Step 2, we'll check the diagonals to see how close it is in level. Okay. 73. Yeah. So who says you can't use a level on a boat? That is pretty bang on at the moment. We don't have a right angle. You'll find when you do stuff on a boat, you never have all the tools needed for the proper job. So it's kind of how do you get the job done? And that's what we're going after today. Next step is closing the tape measure. Yeah. Okay, so started at 9:30 in the morning, and it is 10 o'clock at night. A big break, dinner, and everything else, but let's give it a shot. I'm not sure if that's on or not. And sometimes it helps if you plug it in first. So now let's give it a try. The light is on. Water is definitely working because it's dripping downstairs. So let's give it a few hours and see what we got.
Here, it's the ice maker.
Let's pull out that tray. Don't drop it, that must be heavy. What are you gonna do with that? What are we going to name the ice box here?
Chesty LaRue.
Yes, Charlie, that's a perfect name.
Chesty.
He's polishing up the ice maker. First, cocktails with the Hangtime ice. Char, what's your plan with the Hangtime ice?
What are you going to do with the ice?
Sell it.
Sell it? What do you mean?
Drive around the Danny and just sell it.
Why not?
Perfect. We put the ice maker to good use when Greg and Shauna arrived. We enjoyed some sunset cocktails on the beach in St. John, and that magic flip juice gave me the courage to attempt my first ever backflip.
Cheers! Hey, Virgin Islands!
It's amazing what 3 vodkas will do.
3 vodkas! Let's go! Great! Woo-hoo-hoo! Hangtime backflip! Woo! 2, 1, send it! 2, 1!
We should do this again soon. What do you think?
Yeah, maybe.
Next time on Hangtime, the boys head to Florida for a holiday, and I welcome some friends aboard for some girl time and some great sailing in the BVIs.
Okay.
I don't know if you should open it yet. Guys.
Let me enjoy. Listen to the sound.
That is